JM600 double-end connector insertion wire harness assembly processing machine is an intelligent and multifunctional wire harness assembly equipment. It combines wire cutting, stripping, terminal crimping, insert housing, and other functions can be added as required, such as waterproof sealing installation, numbering tube insertion, shrink tube assembly, etc. through CCD camera check. It also achieves quality detection, elimination of defective wiring harness, and other quality control functions. JM600 adopts double-end assembly processing and uses automatic feeder for connectors and terminal feeding, which truly realizes the automatic intelligent wiring harness production. The 8-channel wire harness selector can process wires of 8 different colors or sizes at the same time, and the pre-storage function in servo control can store and call the tested parameters and switch the processing of different wire harnesses with one button. And the length of the wire harness is also controlled by servo electric control and can be adjusted arbitrarily in the range.